Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Nissan Pathfinder. Lifting your vehicle can significantly improve its off-road capabilities and allow for larger tires, giving you better ground clearance. We will cover the different types of lift kits available, from simple body lifts to more comprehensive suspension systems. Understanding these options will help you choose the best approach for your Pathfinder and ensure a successful modification. When considering a lift, you have a few main options. Body lifts are a straightforward way to gain 1 to 3 inches by raising the body off the frame, often for tire clearance. Suspension lifts, on the other hand, involve replacing components such as springs and shocks, providing a more substantial increase in ride height and improved articulation. For a simpler boost, coil spring spacers can add 1 to 2 inches. Proper installation is key to safety and performance. While some smaller body lifts can be a do-it-yourself project, more involved suspension lifts often require professional expertise due to their complexity and the specialized tools needed. Always ensure you have a sturdy floor jack, reliable jack stands, and a calibrated torque wrench. Most importantly, a professional wheel alignment is essential immediately after installation to correct steering and prevent premature tire wear. After your lift is installed, ongoing care is vital. It is crucial to re-torque all suspension bolts and nuts after driving about 50 miles to ensure everything remains secure. Regularly inspect your tires for uneven wear and check all suspension components for any signs of damage or looseness. Finally, remember to adjust your headlight aim. Lifting your Pathfinder will change its beam pattern, and proper adjustment prevents blinding oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.